Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD bulls floundering amongst the US dollar's correction. ntvforex.com news ID 53AE42 5 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. EUR USD is trading at 1.1762 at the time of writing, struggling to convince on rallies, having traveled lower from a high of 1.1808 to a late European low of 1.1722 on the day. The single unit, however, is NBSP, still some 0.2% higher at the time of writing, although there are signs of resistance in the move in the greenback. The US dollar has found some legs on Tuesday, supported in an uptick in real yields and despite an uptick in global equities NBSP following comments by Trump about possible tax cut NBSP on capital gains. NBSP meanwhile, there is a focus on US fiscal stimulus talks and a decision on EU tariffs, but with lawmakers out of town and with Trump aides not NBSP expecting NBSP new stimulus talks anytime soon, it looks rather bleak for the US economy at this juncture. We will await tomorrow's consumer price index, which analysts at TD Securities expect to have risen strongly, and not just due to a bounce in gasoline. We forecast a 0.3% rise in core prices. We expect relatively strong gains in airfares, other lodging, and used vehicle prices in particular. That said, we think the slowing in rents is more indicative of the trend in the year ahead. We expect the 12-month change in core prices to remain low at 1.2% in the July report. NBSP as for recent data from the Eurozone, the German ZEW, the first survey data for August, showed mixed dynamics. The expectations index improved notably more than expected to 71.5, but the current situation index continued to deteriorate slightly to 81.3, against the expectation of a sharp improvement. Most industries showed improvement, except the steel and banking industries, which deteriorated slightly, the analysts at TSS explained. EUR USD levels NBSP overview today: last price 1.1762, today daily change 0.0024, today daily change percent 0.20, today daily open 1.1738, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.1657, daily SMA 50 1.1425, daily SMA 100 1.1165, daily SMA 200 1.1109, NBSP levels previous daily high 1.1801, previous daily low 1.1736, previous weekly high January 1916, previous weekly low 1.1696, previous monthly high January 1909, previous monthly low 1.1185, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.1761, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.1776, daily pivot point S1 1.1716, daily pivot point S2 1.1694, daily pivot point S3 1.1651, daily pivot point R1 1.178, daily pivot point R2 1.1823, daily pivot point R3 1.1845, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.